Good evening from the Arizona desert. My name is Tom, and I'm out here in Phoenix, Arizona, and these are the nightly DoorDash numbers from the desert. Well, it was Friday, and we started early, extended our dash an extra 3 hours, and pulled in 472.77 yesterday. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get the final payout summary, but this is the last screenshot of the last offer that I did. And we did 44 out of 51 deliveries, and we hustled. We were dog butt tired the last couple of hours. I actually paused my dash 15 minutes before 3 o'clock in the morning, pulled over, took a nap, and slept, and woke up, went on home, changed, cleaned up, grabbed some food for the next day, and now we're waiting to gas up and get back on the road again. Well, yesterday we dropped $100 tip to an employee at one of our merchants. This individual has a great attitude. This individual, I found out, is going to be mentoring sixth graders. She got accepted into that mentorship program. And I tell people that as a seven-figure dasher, I really have a heart for investing in people. And this individual, every time that I walk in there, is like, wow, he's here. And she treats everybody that way. And it's those types of individuals that we need in this world. People who serve others, people who bring a positive attitude, people who remember stories about their customers, make their experience a phenomenal experience. And this person does just that on a daily basis. It's just natural for her. And I decided that this person was somebody that I wanted to invest in, and I dropped it and left. And you could see the shock in her face. And I came back. And I had a couple more deliveries picking up at that merchant, and she told me she even called her mom, and she was so thrilled. So um, that's the experience that I want to have going forward. That's why I'm building this channel. That's what I want to do. I want to keep on. I want to continue investing in people. I want to show them how they can be more successful. I want to encourage the behaviors that I already see within them. And yesterday was just part of that. So, all right, let's go take a look at the rest of the numbers. This was the payout. We actually did 48 deliveries yesterday. Looking at our ratings, let's go take a look at that. And currently we're at 86% acceptance rate, 100% completion. So we pushed that back up to 100, 99% on time. Looks like Whataburger, we were late, and that was mainly because I was waiting at the merchant, a long wait at the store. That's taken care of. So now we're back at 100% there. Going back into the ratings, go look at our lifetime deliveries. And currently we're at 49,658. That's 342 away from 50,000 deliveries. And our 30-day total is 1062. So I would encourage you to invest in people, anybody that you see. And I'm, like I said, I'm trying to build a community so that as super chats eventually start coming in, we can take those funds and we can use those funds to go on out and help others. And that's the ultimate goal. So, yeah, you heard my phone. So let's go, go, go. And I'm getting ready to go gas, gas, gas so that I can go, go, go and get this day started. So, With that, I'm going to let you go, and I hope that you have a phenomenal day. I hope that your Sweet 16 teams are advancing. We're in March Madness right now, and hopefully you're making some extra money as people are throwing little parties and little watch parties to go watch these college students, go play some basketball. So, all right, I'm heading out. You guys have a great day. We will talk to you tonight. Bye for now.